Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of So Not Scary. In today's episode, we are going to answer the question, can a mini sewing machine sew denim or not? Or can the mini sewing machine sew jeans or not? So let's get into it. Before we go ahead, here's a question for you. Have you ever tried sewing denim before? Yes or no? Comment down below and let me know whether you've ever attempted to sew denim or jeans before. That's going to give me an idea of how far along you are in your struggles with denim. So here in front of you is a piece cut off from a pair of jeans. Now this piece of denim does have a little bit of stretch to it, and that's because it comes from a pair of skinny jeans. Okay, so right now we're going to ignore the stretch. Right now we just want to find out whether this little machine is capable of handling sewing on denim or jeans or not. Okay, let's find out what this machine is capable of doing. And now we're just left with these two flat pieces of denim that we're going to attempt to sew on our mini sewing machine. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so here's my mini sewing machine all set up. I've got a white polyester Gutermann thread on top and a blue polyester Gutermann thread on the bottom. Okay. I'm gonna take my piece of denim and fold it so there are two layers, like so. Okay, and let's just try running it under the machine. So we started off, then we went down and we turned around and we came back, and as you can see, the stitching came along beautifully well, not a single skip stitch. And if I flip this over, I'm sorry, you can hear my kids in the background, they're taking a bath. And on the back as well, you can see that the blue thread came through beautifully well and there are no skip stitches. So two layers of denim, you shouldn't have any problem whatsoever, okay? However, when we are actually sewing and when we are hemming something, we don't sew two layers of anything. We actually sew three layers, don't we? So when we're hemming, we want to hide this raw edge as well. So we're technically, when we fold this over, we're dealing with three layers. So now let's see if the sewing machine can handle three layers of denim. So for three layers of denim, I'm going to fold this over once and I'm going to fold it over one more time. So now I've got three layers on this side, okay? And now we're going to sew this bit. Now already I can tell you, just to be able to put the three layers under the presser foot, I will have to lift the presser foot even higher than normal. So I'm trying to lift it slightly higher and then release it and then lower it, okay? Let me tell you, I think this is going to be a struggle. Let's see. Oh my god, you guys, this is unbelievable. Look at this. So let me turn this sideways. This is the first thing that we did with the two layers of denim, and then on this side I folded it over twice so that we have three layers of denim. Now look at this. It came through perfectly. No skip stitches. Wow, I really wasn't expecting that. Let's flip it over and see. So that's our three layers of denim. Look at the stitch line. Came through beautifully well. Wow, I have to tell you, I was not expecting that. Shall we give it one more try? Shall we push the limits and see if it can sew four layers of denim? Yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, this is us being a little bit cheeky because this is only a little sewing machine, but I'm gonna see if it can sew four layers of denim. So I'm going to fold it over like this, then like this, so that's 1, 2, 3 layers, and then one more time. Ooh, that's a fat bundle, isn't it? That's 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of denim. Let's see if we can put it underneath the presser foot. Okay, let's see if we can slide it under the presser foot. Just lift it a little bit higher. It's in. I'm lowering the presser foot. Can you see it's still a bit lifted? I think we might have some pressure problems there. and we might have to press it down with the tip of something sharp. In goes the needle, and my needle isn't even designed for denim. It's like a universal 80. Well, let's see. Guys, you are not going to believe this. The machine did it. Look, 4 layers of denim. It's sewed through. And look at that. Not a single skip stitch. My God. How has it suddenly turned all bionic? Look at that. It's sewed like a proper sewing ninja. That's amazing. I really wasn't expecting that, to be honest. Would I trust it to hem a pair of jeans? Ooh, I'm still a bit iffy about it, because there's a big flat felled seam hump that sewing machines have to go over when hemming the bottom of jeans. But for sewing like denim made things like pouches and tops and stuff, no problem. Look, 4 layers and just breeze through, no problems whatsoever. So far we've seen that the mini sewing machine can sew through 4 layers of denim fabric perfectly well, no problems, okay? However, does that mean that you will be able to hem a pair of jeans using that? So this is the original jeans that I had cut up, okay, and that's the bottom hem of one of the trunks. Now, if I were folding it over, I would fold it under once and then twice in order to hem it, right? Now the problem isn't here. This is just 3 layers of fabric, and we know the mini sewing machine will cope just fine with it. The problem occurs when you reach a seam like this. This is a flat felt seam. Each seam has got 5 layers of denim fabric inside it, okay? Now, if I fold it over once, those 5 layers become 10 layers. And now if I fold it over twice, that becomes 15 layers of denim. Can you trust your mini sewing machine to sew 15 layers of jeans? No chance. Okay, don't even try it. Don't think there's a magical formula or hack to do that. No, just no. The mini sewing machine is not capable of sewing 15 layers of denim, okay? So if you want to hem a pair of jeans using the machine, I think you're gonna struggle. You will be able to go along these flat bits of the hem just fine, but the struggle is gonna be when you reach one of those flat felt seams. What are you gonna do then? I don't know. I don't have the answer to that. Having said that, it's not all sad news. In fact, it's actually quite good news, because look, we managed to sew through not 2, not 3, but actually 4 layers of denim. That's 4 layers of denim. Now imagine the possibilities. Imagine what you could sew using 4 layers of denim. There is so much you can do. There are so many projects you can create, okay? Comment down below if there is any specific denim based project that you would like to see on this channel, and I'm gonna do my very best to sew that for you guys and create a tutorial out of it, okay? But I hope that answers your question of whether the mini sewing machine can sew denim or not. The answer is yes, it can. It can sew 2 layers of denim. It can sew 3 layers of denim. It can even sew 4 layers of denim. But beyond that, you will be pushing the machine a bit too far, and I'm afraid it might just damage it, okay? I hope that answered your question of can the mini sewing machine sew denim or can the mini sewing machine sew jeans, guys. I know it's not the perfect answer you were looking for, but I do hope that it has given you hope of looking forward to create some unique, beautiful denim-based projects for yourself and your friends and the people you love around you, okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and see what they have to say, see what kind of projects you guys can make together, and also hit that like button, because that's really gonna help me out. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, consider subscribing, because this channel is all about mini sewing machine based sewing projects, okay? So we do talk a lot about the mini sewing machine, but soon I think we will be talking more about other sewing related things as well, as I see you guys are interested in. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm sorry if you heard those noises in the background. My girls are in the background taking a bath after school, so I have to go now and tend to them. But I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.